Welcome to this tutorial on how to export your Google Analytics 4 setup. Exporting your Google Analytics 4 setup is a useful feature that allows you to duplicate your existing setup and apply it to other properties, saving you time and effort. To begin, log into your Google Analytics 4 account and navigate to the Admin section. In the Admin section, click on the data stream you want to export, and then click on the three vertical dots next to the data stream name. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. You will be presented with two export options: Export to Google Tag Manager and Export as a JSON file. If you choose to export to Google Tag Manager, your setup will be exported directly to your Google Tag Manager account. If you choose to export as a JSON file, your setup will be downloaded as a JSON file that you can import into another Google Analytics 4 property. Once you have selected your export option, review the settings that will be exported, including your data streams, events, and conversions. You can choose to export all settings or select specific settings to export. After reviewing your settings, click the Export button to begin the export process. If you are exporting as a JSON file, your file will be downloaded to your computer. If you are exporting to Google Tag Manager, your setup will be imported into your Google Tag Manager account. To import your exported setup into another Google Analytics 4 property, navigate to the Admin section of the new property and click on the Import option. Select the JSON file that you exported earlier, and then review the settings that will be imported. Finally, click the Import button to complete the import process. Your Google Analytics 4 setup will now be duplicated in the new property, saving you time and effort in setting up your new property. Best practices for exporting your Google Analytics 4 setup include regularly exporting your setup to keep a backup of your settings, and using the export feature to duplicate your setup across multiple properties. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently manage your Google Analytics 4 setup and ensure that your settings are consistent across all your properties.